My favorite activity in this course would probably be fixing iPhones. I like doing that because having all those small parts, it's kind of challenging taking it all apart and keeping track of everything that you took apart and putting it back together. And the feeling you get when you turn it on and it's actually working again, it's a pretty nice feeling.
Some of the centers of this course is working in a team and repairing laptops and phones and having a nice cup of joe in the morning before you start working.
Through the preparation of this class, I feel very confident in getting a good score on the NOCTI exams.